Hello everyone, welcome back to Code with Akshi. This is day 11 of a Python for Beginners series. Today we are going to learn about Python dictionaries. So in this video we will learn what are dictionaries, how to create one, access values and update items, remove items and loop through the dictionaries and explore useful methods and finish it with a real life example. So now let's get started. First, let's understand what a dictionary is. A dictionary is used to store a data in key value pairs. So think of it like a real dictionary. Every word has a meaning. Similarly, in Python, every key has a corresponding values. So the key must always be unique, but the values can be numbers, text, list, or even other dictionaries. So the dictionary is also mutable, which means we can change its contents whenever we want. So and we create a dictionary by using the curly braces. Now let's create our first dictionary. Here we have a dictionary called student. Inside the curly braces, we store the information like name, age, course and city. So notice that each key is followed by a colon and then its value. Each key value is separated by the comma. So finally, when we print the dictionary, Python displays all the stored informations together. This creates a dictionary. This is simple. Next, now let's learn how to access a value from a dictionary. To get a value, we use its key inside the square brackets. For example, if we use the key name, Python returns Akshita. Similarly, using age, that returns 22. So these act like an address that helps us quickly to find the required values. So always keep remember, if the key doesn't exist, Python will show an error. So next, one of the best feature of dictionary is that they are mutable. This means we can easily add new informations or update the existing informations. To add a new item, we simply assign a value to a new key. For example, adding the city key stores a new value. To update an existing item, assign a new value to the same key. So Python automatically updates it. Very simple. Okay, sometimes we no longer need certain informations. In that case, we can remove items from a dictionary. Python provides two common ways. The first is pop. It removes the key and also returns its value. And the second is del. It means it removes the key completely. So choose the method depending on whether you need to remove the value or not. So instead of accessing one value at a time, we can use loop to display everything. The items method returns both the key and the value together. So using a for loop, we print key and its corresponding value. So this is very useful when working with the large dictionaries. So looping saves time and also makes our program much more efficient. Next, Python provides many useful dictionary methods. So the keys methods returns all the keys, the values method that returns all the values, and next is the items method. It returns both the key and the values together. And the get method, it safely retrieves a value using its key. And the update method, it changes or adds the items. And finally, the clear method, it removes everything from the dictionary. So this method makes working with dictionaries much easier. Now let's see a real life example. So imagine a school database. So each student has a unique ID. For every student ID, we store another dictionary containing details like name, age, class and marks. So this is called as a nested dictionary, which means a dictionary inside another dictionary. So this type of structure is commonly used in websites, databases, and the real world software applications. So let's quickly revise today's lesson. Today we learned what a dictionary is. We learned how to create a dictionary and access the values, and we also learned how to add, update, and remove the items. And then we explored about looping three dictionaries and useful methods like keys, values, items, and get. So finally, we understood how dictionaries are used in real life applications. So congratulations, you have successfully completed day 11. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Code with Akshi. Also, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss day 12. Okay, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Happy coding, and this quote is for you.